Mugen unleashes aggressive body kit. For 2026, Honda Prelude Japanese tuner Mugen has wasted no time in offering a performance-focused aesthetic upgrade for Honda's recently revived 2026 Prelude. The new body kit, already available for purchase, transforms the sleek coupe into a more aggressive and visually striking machine. Performance-inspired design, the Mugen upgrade centers around lightweight, forged aluminum wheels co-developed with BBS. These 19-inch wheels weigh approximately 8.8 pounds less per corner than the factory options, a total weight savings of around 35 pounds. This reduction in unsprung mass directly impacts handling and responsiveness. Complementing the wheels is a full carbon fiber body kit. The kit includes a prominent front splitter with upward-angled fins, matching side skirts, a rear diffuser, and carbon fiber mirror caps adorned with aerodynamic detailing. These changes aren't just for show, they are designed to improve airflow and downforce. Limited edition spec. III kit for enthusiasts seeking exclusivity, Mugen is releasing a limited run spec. III kit. Only 16 units will be available in Japan, paying homage to the iconic Mugen spec. II kits from the 1980s. Acquiring one of these kits won't be easy. Mugen will conduct a lottery to determine the recipients, who must already own a 2026 Prelude and be prepared to spend roughly $10,500 USD on the build. This scarcity underscores the desirability of Mugen's tuning packages. Beyond aesthetics, performance enhancements, the upgrades extend beyond visual modifications. Mugen is also offering high-performance brake pads, a premium oil filter, and a pair of performance dampers. These dampers, mounted directly to the chassis, are designed to minimize body flex, reducing unwanted vibrations and improving stability at higher speeds. Interior upgrades include custom floor mats, luggage mats, and branded sill plates. Availability and pricing: the Mugen body kit is currently on sale, with deliveries set to begin in April 2026. Individual components, such as the wheels and mirror caps, will also be sold separately, allowing owners to customize their Prelude incrementally. The speed with which Mugen has released this kit highlights the strong aftermarket demand for the new Prelude. It also demonstrates the enduring appeal of Mugen's performance-focused tuning legacy.